Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix X5 and you want to restore the default factory settings on it. Now, the reason you might want to do this is kind of two things. One, if you're selling it or if you bought a used one, you might want to do this. Or also if you're just all kind of gummed up with all the settings you've put on it and you want to connect it to a new network or whatever, and you just want to start totally fresh with everything being cleared out, we can return it to like the way it was when it came out of the box new with all of the default settings. It's quite easy to do. All you need to do is with your camera turned on, you're going to come down here at the bottom and you're going to, at the bottom right, and you're going to press the menu button here. Once you press the menu button, you'll get the menu on the screen and you will click on the little wrench icon, hitting the OK button over here to confirm it. Once we hit the wrench icon, we'll get a series of menus and we want to hit the settings gear. We'll click on the settings gear, and then from the settings gear, that will open up the menu where we can select reset. So again, we just go to the menu button, and then it's gear shifter. It's wrench, gear shift settings, reset.